Sneads Ferry King Mackerel Tournament 2024 is over. And actually got to weigh a fish. And right now we actually weighed in before anybody else. So we are on the leaderboard for now. For a little bit. I'm just happy we got to weigh one.
Told you, dadgummit, something just got it.
Well, I told you to get him in the boat, Chad. You got an Amberjack. Not too much.
Still running over here.
Man, I just knew it was a king. I saw it. I could have sworn it was. Somebody talked him up. Who was talking about a Barracuda? Was it me?
Yes.
Oh man, oh man. Hey, Chad, see the mouth on that sucker? Mouth on that.
I can't. My heart's beating too fast.
You gotta get that bag out. We gotta get him on ice. There you go.
He heard that.
Too much. He said too much. I got this off.
Coming up, I think.
Jumped and I wanted to say it.
Oh man.
When it jumped, I wanted to say it. I mean,
Oh my god.
All right, so let me cut that off. Stinks. Sneads Ferry King Mackerel Tournament 2024 is over. And we actually got a weigh a fish. And right now we actually weighed in before anybody else. We are on the leaderboard for now. For a little bit. We're just happy we got to weigh one.